Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the PetHonesty Hemp Hip Joint Supplement for Dogs. Hemp Oil, Hemp Powder, Glucosamine, Chondroitin for Dogs. Turmeric, MSM, Green Lipped Mussel. Dog treats improve mobility, reduces discomfort. Old, and has been taking the Hemp Mobility and allergy chews for a month now. But even with the supplements and medication, she struggles to get up and limps a lot after small amounts of activity. Cappy, a certified therapy dog, shows this product Hemp Mobility is working for his hips and stiffness. It's been almost 6 weeks, and he is getting along great. No surgery. He also was losing his hair on the top of his head with little bumps, and that has cleared up. He really likes them, and thinks they are treats. Our boy Jackson is 11 border McNab mix, and has been showing his age, especially after playing ball. More importantly, it is available on this site, and not on backorder like on several other sites. He gets the oil in his morning meal, and the chews, which he loves, before his evening meal. They take these a few hours before bed, and they are sleeping a full night soundly. So far so good. She takes these along with another supplement, and she loves these tasty treats. After a few days, our dog had already shown signs of improvement. He has a bad hip, and was having a hard one walking and getting up. And then after about 3 days he was showing very minimal signs of struggling, and now after almost 2 weeks it's like he has no issue at all. The vet was not sure what was wrong, and prescribed steroids for a short time. The limp went away, but it came time to taper her off the steroids, and the limp came back. Within 2 days he was moving much better, and it lasted throughout the entire day. She does seem to limp less when getting up after a nap, and has more energy to run around. On these supplements he is doing great. And you would never know he had been in so much pain. He already takes highly concentrated CBD oil drops from Holistipit, which do the best job for him. It slowly crept in, and diminished her mobility until she could no longer jump up onto the bed, jump down, and land safely, go up, or downstairs, walk at a normal pace without a limp, or even support herself to lift her leg to pee. She had really begun to slow down, and was having trouble getting to a standing position in spite of her medication. Has always had some mobility issues with his legs and hips in his lifetime, but this time he could barely move, and nearly had to be dragged outside to go potty. The Hemp Mobility snacks have seemed to boost her spirits, and she appears to be feeling better, bouncing around, and throwing her toys around. Though the surgery was successful, and the screws and plates were placed properly without interference with her growth plate, she never recovered fully, and walked with a limp. Within a few days of eating 2 chews a day, she was back to her normal self. They have more of a spring in their step, and are not showing any discomfort. They know what the jar looks like, and immediately sit down to get their supplements. His mobility is beginning to deteriorate slowly. Even a slow walk is a workout for him. But after taking these PetHonesty Hemp Hip and Joint supplements, his mobility is a lot better. He's not running like a young pup, but his walks are a lot easier, and he seems to move a lot better. Definitely recommend this product for any dogs with mobility issues, especially older large breed dogs. As has aged, his limping gets worse the more he plays, also with the colder weather, which is so important when you are the alpha dog, the leader of his 3-dog pack of border collies. However, he gets good reports on his joints from the vets, and he likes the flavor of this chew. Soothing chews are helping with her anxiety that has developed due to being blind deaf. The hemp oil has helped reduce the inflammation in her hips and knees, which makes it easier for her to get around. She'd have trouble getting up, could no longer jump on the bed, was always limping, and etc. She looks forward to these treats, and she seems to be in less pain from her arthritis. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.